Assalamu alaikum, I'm Marwa. Welcome to Math to All. Our lesson today is introducing fraction of amount. Today we will learn how to find half, 1/4, 1/3, 3/4, and 2/3. To find half of a number of objects, you need to divide them by 2. Count the number of cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 cakes. We will divide them between the 2 children so that they have the same number each. The best way to do this is 1 for me and 1 for you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many cakes does each child have? Each child has 4 cakes, so half of 8 is 4. To find half in a different way, you need to divide the number by 2. So I have here 6 buttons. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So half of 6 equals 3. Finding a quarter. You need to divide by 4 to find 1/4. Count the number of bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 bones. Divide the bones between the 4 dogs. How many bones does each dog have? 1 and 2. So each dog has 2 bones. Quarter of 8 is 2. To find the quarter of 8 in another way, you need to divide the 8 by 4. So 8 circles divided by 4 equals 2. Quarter of 8 equals 2. Can you find quarter of the fish below? There are 12 fish. To find 1/4, you need to divide by 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So 1/4 of 12 equals 3. We divide by 2 to find half and divide by 4 to find 1/4. What do you think we need to divide by to find 1/3? Yes, you are right. We need to divide by 3 to find 1/3. Can you find 1/3 of these flowers? There are 9 flowers. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So 1/3 of 9 equals 3. You know how to find 1/4. So now let's look at finding 3/4. There are 8 eggs. If we divide these eggs between 4 baskets, how many eggs will be in each basket? So 8 divided by 4 equals 2. There will be 2 eggs in each basket. To find 3/4, simply count the total number of eggs in 3 of the baskets. So 1/4 equals 2 eggs. 2/4 equals 4 eggs. 3/4 equals 6 eggs. There are 6 eggs in the 3 baskets. So 3/4 of 8 is 6. In a different way, you need to find 1/4, then multiply it by 3. To find 1/4, don't forget, you need to divide by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 1/4 of 8 equals 2. Now we want to find 3/4. We will multiply 2 by 3. 2 multiply 3 equals 6x. 1/4 equals 2x. 2/4 equals 4x. 3/4 equals 6x. So 3/4 of 8 is 6. With the same concept, to find 2/3, you need first to find 1/3. So here I have 6 paint brushes. To find 1/3, we need to divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So 1/3 of 6 equals 2. Here, each jar will have 2 paint brushes. Great. We agreed that 1/3 equals 2. To find 2/3, you need to multiply by 2. 2 multiply 2 equals 4. 1/3 equals 2. 2/3 equals 4. So 2/3 of 6 equals 4. To summarize, what did we study? As a general rule, if you want to find half, divide by 2. If you want to find 1/4, divide by 4. If you want to find 1/3, divide by 3. If you want to find 1/5, divide by 5, and so on. The other case, if you want to find, for example, 3/4, you need to divide by 4 and multiply by 3. If you want to find 2/3, you need to divide by 3 and multiply by 2. So, as a general rule, you need first to divide by denominator and then multiply by numerator. This is the end of our lesson. If you enjoyed the lesson, like, share, and subscribe.